Hi everyone, in this video we're going to focus on topic sentences and concluding sentences, which are the two sentences that really hold your body paragraphs together. And a lot of students have really good ideas, but we tend to lose our points because our paragraphs may feel unfocused or unfinished. So this lesson is about fixing that and making sure every paragraph has a clear beginning and a clear ending. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we get into definitions, let's talk about why this matters. Why do we even care about this? So, your body paragraphs are the foundation of your essay. Each one should focus on one main idea, not multiple ideas competing for attention. Now, topic sentences help guide your reader into the paragraph, and concluding sentences help guide them out. Now, when those two pieces are missing or weak, even strong evidence can feel confusing. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the anatomy of a body paragraph. So here's the basic structure of the body paragraph, and you'll see this pattern come up again and again. You'll start with your topic sentence, then move into your evidence, followed by your commentary or analysis. And that pattern will usually repeat itself, and then you'll end with your concluding sentence. So each part has a specific job, and if one part is missing, the paragraph usually tends to feel a little bit incomplete. So what is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is the first sentence of your paragraph. Its job is to introduce the main idea of that paragraph and connect it back to your essay's thesis. I like to think of it as a promise to your reader. You're telling them this paragraph is going to focus on this idea. So what should a topic sentence do? So a strong topic sentence does a few important things. It introduces the paragraph's focus, includes the subject and your claim, and stays general. So the details, quotes, and examples will come later. So this is not a place necessarily for evidence quite yet. Think of it as setting the direction before you start walking. When you're writing a topic sentence, it helps to think ahead. So you may want to ask yourself, what examples am I going to talk about later in this paragraph? What do I want my reader to understand by the end? So try to introduce the idea in one clear, complete sentence and avoid listing details too early. If it starts to feel a little bit crowded, that's usually a sign that you might need to simplify it. Here we have two examples of strong topic sentences. So the first one is a non-literary example. It makes a clear, arguable claim and prepares the reader for evidence. And the second one is reading based. So notice that it makes an interpretive claim, not a summary. So it signals analysis and sets up for evidence from the text. So these are different types of writing with the same basic structure. Now let's talk about concluding sentences. So concluding sentence is the very last sentence of your paragraph. It wraps up the main idea and often helps transition to the next paragraph. So the key question a concluding sentence answers is, so what? Why does this paragraph matter? So strong concluding sentences don't just repeat what you already said. They restate the main idea in new words. Focus on meaning rather than details and avoid ending the paragraph with a quote. So in the examples here, notice how the sentences move beyond the evidence and explain why the idea is important. That's what your readers are going to be looking for. And here we have topic and concluding sentences side by side. So it's here to show us the difference really clearly. A topic sentence introduces the paragraph's main idea. A concluding sentence explains why that idea matters. I really like this analogy. The topic sentence opens the door and the concluding sentence closes a loop. Both are necessary. There are some common mistakes and issues that we want to avoid. So topic sentences might sometimes be too specific, concluding sentences that just repeat the evidence, and ending paragraphs with quotes or forgetting the connection back to the thesis. So if you catch yourself doing any of these, it's easy to fix once you know what to look for. All right, so now it's your turn. You may be in the process of writing essay 1. If you haven't started already, maybe you can start with topic sentences. So I want you to write one topic sentence for a body paragraph and one concluding sentence that wraps it up. And again, you can base this on essay 1 and use the readings from our class. So the key point here is to just practice it. It doesn't need to be perfect. It's really just about practicing that structure. All right, so to wrap it up, here are the main things to remember. Topic sentences guide your reader into the paragraph. Evidence supports your ideas. Concluding sentences explain why those ideas matter. So when your paragraphs are strong, your entire essay will become stronger too. Thanks so much for listening. Bye.